I never made it, but I know what it takes.
And this one is a good line. Well, I asked him yesterday and he said,
Okay, so be through about 300 vertical feet. So it's going to be, we should drop more than we've been coming up. Okay, that works.
Never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me, yeah, wait. I think I'll last a bit longer. Find another reason to breathe this air, and that we made for ourselves. This won't be the last time.
It is so easy, right?
Never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me, yeah. I knew it when
And she loses her glasses and she finds them and she's like, oh my God. And we're like, what, Mom? She's like, I think I lost it. And we're like, you lost what? What did you lose? Like, you just found your glasses. She's like, no, I think I lost my dignity. You know what feels really good? Spending time in the outdoors with quality people. Come over here.
Don't look at these. Oh, they look fine.
Yeah, they look really good.
Don't wait. This is.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess.
Well, I think I started to fly. I think.
Then there's one. Anyone else in this plane lives. Although,
tie me to someone who will love me, yeah. I knew it when I met you. I'm not the only one who's alone. Find me soon and take me home. I knew it when I saw you. I'm not the only one hanging on. Tie me to someone who will love me,
There's Mo, the bartender. He's got like home house party.